This week on the Austin Healey channel, we dip into the primer.
We're gonna have a look at the boot lid. It's it's led a rather difficult life. There's been some damage. I've seen it beaten out. The backs, well, the whole thing's kind of wavy. It's been patched here with a piece of aluminum and some pop rivets. This part's steel, this part's aluminum. On the far side over there, it's been repaired with this piece of metal in the corner here, which, you know, it got it to here, so we can't complain about that. But we're going to take it off and do it a bit different with you know, welding instead of bolts. This was probably done because, you know, aluminum welding didn't come down to our level for a long time. Trying to figure out which holes are going to be filled in. So I broke out the Austin of England badge, and it looks like somebody, in drilling this pattern here, probably for a luggage rack, drilled one of these 3 holes a lot bigger. So we're gonna have to go ahead and fill it and then re-drill it to the right size for this. So lots of holes to be filled. Time to get the welder out. So I'm trying to decide what to do with this. I can get to some of it from the back, but there's a big brace in the way for a lot of it. You can kind of see where the brace is, right through here and through here. I'm kind of confused how it got so bad, but we won't talk about that. I think I used the straight edge bent to check the curve. Curve-wise, it seems to be very close. These dark low spots don't seem to be very deep. So I'm kind of leaning towards Bondo on this one. Just a full coat of Bondo and sanding it down smooth. The other option would be taking the brace out, which it doesn't come out easily. Yeah, and then I would have to get it smooth, and trying to figure out where's the right level would be difficult. It'd be really cool if I had like an English wheel, just roll it all through and flatten it out. But I don't, and I don't want to change the shape. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to just skim coat it and go that way. Yeah, these kind of decisions, it's there's pros and cons to everything. It's hard to decide which is the right way to go. Sometimes a cup of tea helps. If you want to come along on the ride as we complete this project, click the subscribe button. If you want YouTube to tell you every time there's a new video, click the alarm bell. Thanks for watching, and your support is very much appreciated.